In this video, I'll show you how to test your yeast for freshness so that you can make sure your breads will rise every single time. Start by pouring a half a cup of warm water into a measuring cup. Make sure your water is not more than 115 degrees Fahrenheit. I have some old yeast and some fresher yeast, so I'll be showing you a side-by-side comparison so you know exactly what to look for. Add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and stir it to dissolve. Also note that the yeast that I'm using in this demonstration is the same brand of yeast. One package was just purchased about a year ago and the other one was more recently purchased. Now add a half teaspoon of yeast and stir. Wait for 10 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you'll see that the older yeast only has a few tiny bubbles and is showing barely any activity. The fresher yeast has lots of bubbles after 5 minutes and is showing great promise. Here's an overhead shot of our yeast. The old yeast just kind of looks like cloudy water, whereas the fresh yeast looks like a freshly poured glass of root beer with lots of foam. If your yeast looks like this after the test, then it needs to be discarded. Go to the store and buy some new yeast. Test your yeast at least once a month so you can be sure it will give you the results you want. Light and fluffy dinner rolls hot from the oven.